is a perfect time for you to make a beautiful cake as your wishes. Don't get me wrong, every season of the year is a perfect time for you to make this kind of cake, but there are some months are more perfect for this cake to be made. I welcome you on Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel. Watch with me to make your best choice. This is good. Love the colors. You see that one? This color are really great. Wow. Creative cakes. Wow. So far you have watched with me. You have seen the one with blue colors, bubbles on it with fondant, brown color, light blue, and so on. Keep watching. These are cakes, ideas, decoration you can do at all time for your boss, your wife, your sister, your brother, that your friend you wishes to appreciate for anniversary. Any celebration you want to use it for, it goes. Wow, beautiful. What else will I tell you? Go ahead and pick one or two ideas of decoration type you want for that birthday you want to celebrate. Wow, amazing. This look cute. Very beautiful, guys. That is it for today. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. You are on Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel. Thank you so much for coming to watch this amazing, beautiful, trending men and women's birthday cake with me. I hope one or two you will definitely pick. I appreciate you. Don't forget that on this channel, subscription is free. You can also click and watch other of my videos if you are lovers of hairstyles, comedy, or reactions. Thank you. Bye. Meet you later.